airport. I'm leaving for Abuja now. Bobo, say hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Look like a identical twin. Say hi. Say hi. Say something. Yeah. Okay.
Say hi. Say hi now.
Hi. Daddy.
Daddy, say hello to them.
Okay, say hello. Okay. So finally on my way to Lagos. I've ordered my flight. Sorry.
Thank you, boarding completed.
I'm the worst vlogger. So I and my younger brother were off to Lagos. We just boarded. It was a bit of a hassle, you know, luggage. Always, I'm that girl that always carries excess luggage. So, but I needed to make sure that everything will be set also for my Lagos travel. So that's why I had to handle everything here. So we came a bit late, but thank God we didn't miss the flight. We're inside the plane right now. So I'm right here with my brother. So we're about taking
earlier
a
flight. We are aware that you were delayed. We apologize for the slight inconvenience this might have cost you. 700 aircraft shortly departing for MM2 Lagos. Flight time to Lagos will be approximately 45 minutes.
I think the first time I'm using the business class of Eric. Usually I fly economy, so.
At the cruising out here on 32,000 preparation for the departure of pieces, shares, and bags are in their right position. I'm rest down, suitable story away and seatbelts securely fastened.
So, but I hope everything will be good. I'll just tell you if it was good or not, if it was worth it. But I'm just taking it because of my luggage. That's it. On my flight to Ababa from Lagos. Sorry, the worst vlogger ever. We're about to take off, and I have to put my phone on airplane mode. Hopefully I'll give you an update when I get to Addis Ababa, and show you what I'll be doing over there. I'm having 18 hours transit there, so I hope everything is good also. Hello everyone, I just arrived to Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, and I just got to my hotel room. I'm exhausted, but I love this hotel. I'm staying in Skylight Hotel, and I just want to show you my room. So this is the door when you enter. This is the entrance. When you enter, first you'll see the aesthetic bathroom. It has a sliding door which you can open. When you open this up, you're going to see the tub, the bathtub. You see a dressing mirror. Hi, it's me. And there's a shower. I really love this. And then the toilet seat. I really love this. And through the bath you can see the bed, and once you come out from here, you see the bed. It's quite beautiful, gigantic. I love this. Is the TV, and this is a sitting lounge. You can sit and relax to enjoy the view. Let me see the view that I have, and let me open this up. I hope I can open this up. Yes, I can. I have a balcony set up, and out here I can see the nightlife of Ethiopia. This is really, really cool. And then there's a little chair here. I really love this chair. I can sit down and relax and see what is going on. Just imagine from outside. This looks really, really beautiful. I'm in love with this hotel. The last time I stayed in Hilton and I really enjoyed it, but this time also I really, really love this hotel room, and everything downstairs is also lovely. So for the sake of this video, I'm about to leave my hotel room right now, and I'll be heading to the hotel lobby. From there I'll be taken to the airport for my flight to New Delhi. So I'm just wearing a simple kurta, a jean, and my sneakers. So just keeping it casual and comfortable, and I'll see you when I get to the airport of New Delhi, anyone. And I'm gonna miss this room. I really enjoyed it. I didn't even go around to see the hotel because I was busy cooped up in this room. I really loved everything about it, and I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. So goodbye, 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 goodbye.